In the year 2080, conflict on Earth is a thing of the past. Now, a nation of robots resolves Earth's conflicts on the moon by playing on the Lunar League of Robotic Sports,
I'll take that rust bucket.
where water guns are used to rust their opponents. But as evil arises on the lunar surface, one average robot named Blip will have to resolve the conflict within himself,
We're BattleBots!
discovering the power he has inside of him and the repercussions of hurting a friend.
I don't know how to say this, but you're kind of a screw-up. A screw-up, a screw-up, a screw-up. Enough! He's not my friend.
You've got him now, Bolts. Bloodbots!
Now, only Blip has the power to rescue his best friend from evil and save the Earth and Moon from extinction. If only he can believe in himself. Bolts and Blip, the Battle of the Lunar League.